Okay, so we're just going to have a quick look at a few more of these formula, and the first one we're going to look at is the slope formula. The slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now what does the slope mean? Well, the slope means, as you can imagine, like the slope of a hill. So when I have the barrel like that, the slope is 0, it's flat. It goes like this, it's plus some number. And it keeps going up and up and up and up and up, getting plus a bigger and bigger number. And if it goes down, if you're falling, like the slope downhill, it's minus, as we'll see. Okay, it's just a number, so the slope will be a number, the answer will be a number at the end. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, what I'm going to do is, the first one is I'm going to draw one, and we're going to draw the point, and we're going to find the slope. Okay, so draw the line. Okay, so find the slope of the line. Containing 1, 3 and 2, 11. Okay, so we'll just plot it roughly first. You don't need to plot it, this is just so we'll see it in action. So x-axis 1, 2, 3, because it only goes up as far as 2. Y-axis will go up in 2s. Okay, so 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and we label the y-axis. So you know 1, 3 over 1 up 3, 2, 11 over 2 up 11. Okay. Right, okay. Now, okay, we expect this slope to be a plus something because it's going up. So let's go through it. Okay, so it's the same system as we had earlier. Okay, so you name the points first. x1, y1, x2, y2. Sorry, I'll write down the points first and then name them. 1, 3, 2, 11, x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, we write down the correct formula. In this case, it's the slope formula, so you have to decide, is it the slope or the distance formula? We're looking for the slope, so it's the slope formula. Okay, and then we just fill it in. So y2 is 2. Sorry, it's 11. y1 is 3. x2 is 2, x1 is 1, and we get 8 divided by 1, which is 8, and it is plus 8 as we expected. Okay, that's it. That's how you do it. So I'm going to do another few. Okay, so let's look at one here. Okay, so A, we'll say A is equal to 4, 6. B is equal to minus 2, 5. So I put in a minus for the crack. Okay, so I'll find the slope of AB, and the way that would be written is A with a square bracket on either side. So that's not a line. Remember, the line meant distance, so this just says find the slope of AB. So you see that, and you say, okay, I'm using the slope formula. So I'm going to name my points. x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, I'm going to write down the slope formula. Now there's a minus involved here, so you just have to be careful, exactly as before. It's just a different formula, but you just have to be keeping yourself very careful. So in this case, it's y2, which is 5, minus y1, which is minus plus 6, which is minus 6, isn't it? Over x2, which is minus 2, minus x1, which is minus 4. So you get 5 minus 6, be careful, minus 1, isn't it? 5 meters above the water, down 6 meters. Minus 2, minus 4, 2 below the water, down 4 more, minus 6. Now you have minus 1 over minus 6. What does minus over minus? Minus by minus, plus. So your answer is 1/6. That's it. So again, it's a plus slope. So if we plotted that, it would kind of look a bit like that. We'll do one more, okay, where we've more minuses. Okay, so we'll say C equals 3, minus 3 minus 2, and we'll say D is minus 1, 8. Just plenty of minuses. Okay, and we're asked to find the slope of CD. Okay, the same idea. Okay, it's a slope formula. Okay, I forgot to name them. I'll name them over here to the side. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 8. x1, y1, x2, y2. Fill it in. Be really careful about the minuses. So it's 8 minus 2. So watch it, 8 minus 2, so that's 8 plus 2, isn't it? We don't need to put in the minus. And we have minus 1 minus 3, so plus 3. So we end up at 8 plus 2 is 10, minus 1 plus 3 is 2, minus 1 meter below the water, and then we're up 3, so it's up 2, and we get a slope of 5, so m is 5. Again, positive slope, it looks something like that. Okay, so that's how you do it. Very similar to the distance formulas we looked at earlier.